Bonjour tout le monde. I hope everything is going well and you had a good weekend. You're not going too crazy, being cooped up still. I wanted to walk you through this week and just kind of give you an overview so you know what to expect and give you a couple of important reminders. The first one is to remind you that I do have office hours. I posted this in an announcement, so the link is here, password. I am on Google Meet, available for whatever you need every Monday and Tuesday at 11 a.m. So you can ask questions, I can clarify things, help you work through assignments, just whatever you need to kind of move forward. If these times don't work, let me know and we can meet another time. That's not a problem at all. I also want to go through the materials for this week. The big thing to note is that you have a test this week. Some of you haven't finished your Unit 7 test from 2 weeks ago. Those are big chunks of points and it's going to hurt your grade. So make sure you're getting that done. And remember that tests have two parts. There's the oral, where you'll record yourself and share the video with me. You don't have to show yourself. You can show your screen. You can just record your voice. I just need to hear you using French. And then the second part is the oral. Oh, sorry, I already said that. Second part is the vocabulary test on Quizlet. And that'll be the same thing as last time. It'll be labeled test vocabulary, and you'll do the test activity part on Quizlet as many times as you need, and then I'll record your score in PowerSchool. Okay, so this week we are working on one new grammar principle before we take a test, and that's a pronoun. So I've got a slide thing that kind of explains it. Also a video that goes along with the slides. And then you're going to be doing a few exercises with some worksheets and using that. So that's kind of the last big thing. We'll be doing that Monday through Wednesday. Thursday we'll be reviewing for the test. Oh, and then Friday, yeah, we're actually taking the test. I need to change that, sorry. So that's kind of what is up for this week. I think that's everything. If you have questions, please let me know before we take the test. And good luck this week.